we are pleased to show you the 2019 Ram 1500. When the Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right, the Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, front all-season tires, rear all-season tires. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.